Hello students. So in this video we will be discussing exercise 6.4 and we will be continuing with question number 2. Okay. So exercise 6.4 continue ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. With question number 2. So ಏನೈತಿ question number 2 ಏನೈತಿ find the approximate value of f of 2.01. Okay. where f of x equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, this is the question. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where f of x equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, so first you can do this. F of x andra y idanga, so f of x is nothing but y. So first find out dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 8x plus 5. So dy by dx equal to 8x plus 5. Then find delta x. Delta x equal to x plus delta x minus x. That will be 2.01. X plus delta x andre avaru kottirodu 2.01 minus 2. It will be around 0.01. So delta x equal to 0.01. Okay. Next delta y. Okay, delta y equal to 2.01. okay, 2.01 plus 2. So if you want 2.01, if you want the value of 2.01, that is f of 2.01 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ you can write it as f of 2.01 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ you can write it as, or if you want delta y can be written as f of x plus delta x minus f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Therefore I can write f of 2.01, okay, equal to I can write it as f of x plus delta y. So therefore f of 2.01 equal to, I can write it as f of x plus delta y. It is approximately equal to dy. So dy can be written as dy by dx into delta x. Correct either? So f of x andre em barkontri? F of x andre write it as 4x square plus 5x plus 2 plus dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx andre 8x plus 5 into delta x andre we already found out 0.01. okay, so next simple x andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? x andre ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? x andre you have taken it as 2. So x ಜಾಗದಾಗ 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. x ಜಾಗದಾಗ 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should be getting the answer 28.21. okay, so this is the final value. okay, hope you are understanding. This is question number 2. Next we will be solving question number 3. Question number 3, find the approximate value of 5.001 where f of x equal to where f of x equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. So f of x andre y idanga, find out dy by dx, or dy by dx can also be written as f dash of x. dy by dx can also be written as f dash of x. 3x square minus 7x square ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14x plus 15 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ 3x square minus 14x. ಸೊ 3x square minus 14x ಇಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೂ ಬಂತು. dy by dx ಬಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ x ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ x equal to x plus delta x minus x. So x plus delta x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5.001 minus 5. So the answer you will be getting is 0.001. This is delta x. So next delta y ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So therefore if you want f of x plus delta x, minus f of x, you take it on left side, then it will become f of x plus delta y, and call it as equation 1. Call it as equation 1. So f of x plus delta x ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x plus delta x ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of 5.001. Okay, f of 5.001. So f of x plus delta y. F of x plus delta y. Okay, this is equation 1. So next simple, all you have to write is f of 5.001 equal to f of x. F of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ x cube minus 5x square sorry, x cube minus 7x square, x cube minus 7x square plus 15 plus delta y. Delta y can be written as dy by dx into delta x. So delta y can be written as dy by dx into delta x. So finally, placing x equal to, you should place x equal to, okay, you should place x equal to 5. So substituting x equal to 5, you will be getting, and delta x value is 0.001. Delta x value is 0.001 and x equal to 5, and dy by dx you already okay find out in the first step. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹಾಕಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the final answer you should be getting is minus 34.995. This should be your final answer. Okay. And next question number 4. Question number 4 ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Question number 4, find the approximate change in the volume of a cube. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. So we should find the approximate change in the volume of a cube. Cube is having the side x meters caused by increasing the side by 1%. So volume, okay, the side x idra volume of a cube ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ x cube, a idre a cube, z idre z cube, volume of x side idre x cube ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So differentiate dv by dx, you will be getting 3x square. dv by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, how volume is changing with respect to side, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಾರ you should find volume change in the volume caused by increasing the side by 1%. You should find change in the volume which is caused by increasing the side by 1%. So 1% change andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So simple, delta v it is approximately equal to delta v it is approximately equal to dv by dx into delta x. dv by dx into delta x. So dv by dx it is already having 3x square. So delta x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, x side ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is changed by 1%. So 1% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, 0.01 times that of x. ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is the change in the volume, 0.01x. ಯಾಕೆ, because they have said that only 1% change. So 1% of the side ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.01 into x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ, because ಹಿಂಗ 1 divided by 100 into x. So x ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ಸೊ x ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಾರ x ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, x ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಳಾರ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಸೊ 0.03 x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ meter cube. Okay, ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದು. Next question number 5. Question number 5, find the approximate change in the surface area of a cube. Find the approximate change in the surface area of cube of side x meter caused by decreasing the side by 1%. So you should find the change in the surface area. With respect to side which is changing at the rate of 1%. So surface area of a cube formula entry 6x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore ds upon dx equal to 12x ಬಂತು. therefore delta v, change in the volume, is equal to dv by dx into delta x. Okay, so dv by dx it is already having, it is 12x. so delta x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 1% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.01 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸಲ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಆಗಲೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಈ ಸಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 0.0 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳತೀನಿ, ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏಮಂತು 0.12 x square, x into x square per meter square, because they have asked area. So area ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಮಂತು ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂತು. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದು? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು v ಬದಲಿ s ತಗೋರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ therefore you can take it as delta s ds upon dx into delta x. Sixth question. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter, if the radius of a sphere it is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter, with an error of 0.02 meter, find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Find the approximate error in calculating its volume. So volume equal to volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. ಇದಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 4 by 3 pi r cube. So therefore dv by dr ಅಂದ್ರೆ how volume is changing with respect to radius, how volume is changing with respect to radius ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 by 3 pi 3 r square. So 3 get cancelled, you got it as 4 pi r square. So next, change in the volume dv, it is equal to dv by dr into delta r. Okay, delta r ಅಂದ್ರೆ change in the radius. So change in the radius ಕೊಟ್ರ 0.02 meters ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರ with an error ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ change ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರ 0.02 ಕೊಟ್ರ. ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 pi r square ಇಂಟು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂತು 0.02. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೇ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಟ್ 7. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ 7 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ 7 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 4 pi 7 square into 0.02. Okay, this will be the answer. Finally ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the final answer. So after simplification you will be getting the final answer. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the final answer. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 meter, if the radius of the sphere it is measured as 9 meter with an error of 0.03 meter, if a radius of a sphere if a radius of a sphere it is measured as 9 meter with an error of 0.03 meter, find the approximate error in calculating the surface area. Find the approximate error in calculating the surface area. Okay, so let r be the radius and let delta r be the change in the radius. Okay, in measure which is an let delta r be the error in measuring the radius ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, let r be the radius and let delta r be the change in the measuring ಅಥವಾ error in measuring the radius ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So r they have given it as 9 and delta r they have given it as 0.03 meters. Okay, they have asked to find the approximate error in calculating the surface area. Find the approximate error in calculating the surface area. So yes, you can take it as 4 pi r square, that is the surface area. So differentiate it ds upon dr, you will be getting 8 pi r. With respect to r, if you differentiate 8 pi r sigutta. So change in the surface area ds, it is equal to ds upon dr into delta r. Okay, So ds upon dr we are already having 8 pi r. So delta r it is given it as 0.03. delta r ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಇರೋ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಎರರ್. ಆ ಎರರ್ ಏನು 0.03. ಸೊ 8 pi r into 0.03. ಸೊ r value they have given it as 9. So r value they have given it as 9. So 8 pi into 9 into 0.03. So after calculation you should be getting somewhere around 2.16 pi meters square. Okay, this should be your final answer for the question number 7. Okay, so easy it is simple calculations ella. I hope you understood exercise 6.4. okay, so illige enagatta 6.4 complete agatta. We will be starting with 6.5 tomorrow. Okay, thank you.